Good morning, children. How are you? In the previous class, we were discussing about the already about the food components and topics. What are the food components are there? What are the food components are there in a food that we are discussing? Okay. So already you know about the food components. Food components. Lesson name itself is food components. Yes or no? Lesson name itself is food components. So what are the food components? What are the food components which are present in a food? Okay. So you know first one is the carbohydrates. First one is the carbohydrates. Okay. And second one is the proteins. Second one is the proteins. And third one is the fats. Another name is, tell you what is the another name? Oils. Okay. The fourth one is rough phases. Fourth one is rough phases. And the fifth one is water. It is also important. And sixth one is minerals. And the seventh one is vitamins. These are the vitamins. Okay, these are the things that are present in the food. Okay, so these must be there in food components. So you must remember these all the things. So these all are present. These all are present in fruits, vegetables. And where it will be there? Cereals, fruits, vegetables, cereals, and pulses, millets. And you can see egg, mutton, and chicken, etc. So, if you are, what is the meaning of food components? Food contains some elements. That is called food components. Okay. So your food components are carbohydrates, proteins, fats of the oils, and rough phases, water, minerals, and vitamins. Okay. So these are the food components. You can see all the fruits. The fruits which are available outside. Those all contains these all the things. Some of the component will be more, some of the component will be less in some of the fruits. All the fruits they contain these all the things. And you can see vegetables also. So many vegetables we have in the market. Okay. So in all vegetables they contain these all the things. Okay. Some of the things they contain more, some of the things they contain less. Clear, children? Next one is cereals. If you see the cereals also contain these all the things, and pulses, you know, cereals, rice, wheat, jowar, and bajra. Daily you are eating. And the pulses, already you know pulses. Okay? And you can see millets also, ragi. Okay? Foxtail millet. Okay, these are all the things. Okay, next one is egg. Egg also contains these all the things. Mutton, chicken, and etc. So many are there food components. Okay? So these food components will be present. So what morning to evening what you are eating, those all contain these. These are the components. So in this lesson we discussed about the test, how to find out the carbohydrates, which food contain more carbohydrates. Like that one test will be there, okay. And proteins and fats one test will be there. So you already learned these all the things, okay. Next we'll discuss about already you know about the water, okay, and already you know about the rough phases and dietary fibers, and already you know balance and diet, what you know balance and diet, what you have to do. And next one is about the history of the food and the nutrition. We'll see into the history of food and the nutrition. Okay. History of food and History of food and nutrition. History of food and nutrition. Okay. So what is the history actually? If you see one page number 7. Page number 7. There is one scientist name is given already. Okay. Page number 7. That already picture also is photo. So until 170 years ago, there was a little scientific knowledge in the West about the nutrition. 170 years ago. 170 years ago. 170 years. Up to until 170 years, about 170 years ago, there was little knowledge about the nutrition. Little knowledge about the nutrition. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of nutrition? Nothing but here they are thinking that taking food. They are thinking that taking food. Nutrition. Okay, nutrition. Okay, there is a little knowledge about the nutrition. 170 years back. You know NIN. Already NIN. Just general National Institute of Nutrition. It is there in Dharmaka. So it will explain which type of food you have to take daily. Nutrition is nothing but a you are taking food. Which type of food you are taking? What are the components? Which components you are taking? And those things will be discussed in the nutrition. Okay, nutrition will be differ place to place, area to area. Okay, so here NIN, National Institute of Nutrition is there now. So that is present in Karnataka. That they will research and study the people who are living in the world. Okay, nation is in India, different places, the different food habits will be there. Okay, those they will study and they will tell which one is the balanced diet like that. In 170 years back, there is no knowledge about the nutrition. So they are taking food and they are living. They are taking food and they are living. But the founder of the modern science of the nutrition, the modern science of the nutrition, the modern science of the nutrition. Modern science of the nutrition. What is the scientist name is? Founder. Okay, is the science of the nutrition was Frenchman Lavoisier. His name is Lavoisier. Lavoisier is the scientist name. So first person is said about the importance of the nutrition. So he told in 1743 to 1793. 1743 to 1793. 1743 to 1793. So this many years he worked on the food. Okay, and the contribution to new ways in nutrition research. He done so much research in 1742 to 1793 on the food. So different people they are taking different type of materials. Okay, so they are taking different food materials, but different people. Why they are taking? Why they are their food habits are changing? So like that, we worked on the food. Which food contains more nutrients? Which food contains less nutrients? Which one is the best for our body? Like that, here so one is research on the food components, nutrition. Okay, the Labo is writing this. The scientist name we can listen so many areas. Okay, in the science only, but he is worked on the nutrition first. Okay, next James Lind. James Lind is another scientist. In the year 1752. In the year 1752, one scientist, James Lind. In 1752, James Lind is discovered scurvy. One disease name is scurvy. one disease name is scurvy. It is actually deficient disease. What's the meaning of deficient? You won't take proper minerals and the elements and components in your body. Some characters, some symptoms will appear in your body. Okay, that is called deficiency disease. Scurvy, first, which would be cured or prevented by eating fresh fruits and vegetables. The scurvy disease can be cured by eating of fresh fruits and vegetables. It is a deficient disease. You won't take proper food, this disease will get. 10th class about these deficiency diseases. One topic will be there we will discuss. Okay. So deficiency means example carbohydrates, proteins and fats and vitamins and minerals. If you won't take properly, what happens? You will get scurvy, rickets, anemia, like that. Some deficiency diseases will come. So the James Lind is a scientist. He proved that the scurvy can be cured by eating of fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay. In 1952, see how many years after? 200 years back, 1952, known that disease could be cured by eating certain kinds of foods. Diseases can be cured after 200 years. The scientists found that you can, if you eat fruits and vegetables plenty, the diseases can be cured. Nowadays we are facing corona, COVID-19 is sir. So generally doctors are in the news channels and newspapers. They are telling you how to eat more immunity food. Nothing but they contains more minerals and vitamins in foods and vegetables, dry fruits. Okay, so it will increase your immunity, and it can avoid the attack of the it can even attack also we can sustain. It can fight with the virus. Okay, so the immunity can be increases. The 1950, the scientists told that if you take more food like fruits and vegetables and these minerals containing food, what happens? Your body resistance will be increases. That leads to you can fight with the different type of diseases. Okay, so and the 19th century, in the 19th century, it is the 19th century. 19th century, what the scientists found that 19th century, it was known that body obtained three substances, namely our body needs what are the main three substances. In the first 1743, 1793, we won't about the proteins and lipids and fats and minerals and vitamins. Just he studied about the nutrition of different people living in the different areas. Okay. So scurvy, it is a deficient disease actually. You don't know the scurvy can be cured by C vitamin. If you won't take proper C vitamin, scurvy will get you. Okay. So you don't know about the vitamin C, James Lind. Okay. So in the 1952, the scientists told that if you take proper food components, what happens? Diseases can be cured. Okay. Now you can see in 19th century they found that namely three substances we need. First, okay, what are the things? Tell me. Mainly three things we need. Okay, those are, first one is already known, fats. Second one is, tell me. We need mainly three components are there. Second one is carbohydrates, and third one is proteins. So these are the things, main things. These are the main, namely are from the body. Okay. So generally we need, was known that body obtained three substances, namely proteins, fats, and carbs from the food. From the food only. These all the things will get from the only food. Only food. If you take food, we will get these three things to your body. If you take food, we will get from, okay, these three things will get our body. Okay, so it's very important. Finally, by 1952, 1960, they found that we are getting fats, proteins, and carbohydrates from the food only. Okay, so this is about the food components. So food components, and if you read the lesson, there is a very interesting photographs are there. You can see the page number 1. If you see the page number 1, very interesting photograph. You can see one boy. One boy is dreaming about the biscuits, and so you can see chocolates, ice creams. You can see the, I think, pizza and burger. Okay, he is thinking, he is dreaming of which food item he have it. Like different food items are there. Okay. Next you can see next page number 2. You can see milk powder. They are explain about the milk powder. Listen it. Okay. Milk powder is giving. Okay. In the milk powder, what are the things are there? You see on the packet. If you see on the packet, what are the things are there? Proteins, carbohydrates, sugars, and the fat. Like that, they are in grams they are given. If you see in every biscuit packet or any packet, you can see there is a showing of components, food components they will show. So you can see in biscuit packet, on the biscuit packet, one chart is there will be one chart. There will be one chart, and there will be one line given there like this. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. There will be the information about different things. Okay, food component they will give and how many grams are there. And you can see energy also they will write on the top. If you eat this big biscuit packet, we get that much energy. Like that, some information they will go. Okay, so every food contains some food components. Energy they have. So if you take that biscuit, you will get that much energy. Okay. You can see in the page number 2 some photographs are given already. They are doing the experiment to find out the protein, fats, and the carbohydrates. Okay. Next you can see photograph. Page number 4. Page number 4 you can see sources of proteins already given. Some fruits and like apple and citrus and palak and peas they are given. Okay. Next figure number 7. Page number 5. There is already some of the vegetables are given. You can see fruits. In water also they are given on photograph, like so many fruits are there. In that watermelon is there, and you can see papaya also there, citrus is there. Okay, and you can water that is okay. Oh, red garden. And next you can see thali. It's very important. Thali contains different. So salads are there, fruits are there, vegetables. So these all the things are there. Okay, sambar, rasam, chutney, okay, and sweets, and these all the things are there. Page number 5. Next one is you can see page number 6. You can see here some resins are given. Dry fruits are given here. Some photograph dry fruits. It's a very interesting lesson. It's related to our food, na. So I think your mouth was saliva will come if you see these photographs. Okay. So and you can see resins. You can see like dry fruits are there. Okay, the cashew nuts are there. So many things are. Okay, figure number 11. You can see different foods which is there. And page number 6 also some food extra for pizza and burger they are given. So finally one scientist photograph. Okay. So this is about actually a lesson. Okay, which will explain about the food components. Explain about the food components. So you will see the homework. We will see the homework. Homework is nothing but you have to practice these all the things. So you have to thorough the lesson. You must read lesson thoroughly, and you have to learn the important points. You have to learn the important points. Okay. So you have to learn about learn and write about food components. Learn and write about the food components. Okay. In this, I will give some of the questions. So improve your learning. Okay. You have to write the questions 1, 2, 3. Okay. Total. Yes. Page number 7. Page number 7. So questions are there. 1 to 8 questions you have to write. 1 to 8. 1 to 8 questions. Page number 7. 1 to 8 questions you have to write in your class 1. In your class 1 to 8. Okay. Make a list of food items eaten during the lunch by you. Try to mention the components in each food item. Okay. First question. Manjula eats only bread and omelette daily. Do you think it is a balanced diet? You're right. Third one, make a list of food items that contains all components of the food. Yes. Who I am? I am a component of food that makes proper translucent. Put a drop of meal on a cup of potato, it turns dark blue. Who I am? It's a carbohydrates. So like that, explain what will happen if you don't include roughage in our food. Constipation problems. Test the given food item and record type of the compounds that are present in it. Okay. Rather some food items for the daily diet, explain why you like them. Okay. Next, if you are invited a party when you many food items in menu like rice, roti, puri, idli, dosa, samosa, dal, green, and the salad, vegetable curry, fruit chaat, and chicken curry, liquor, gulab jamun. Okay, which coming into your plate make you diet and balance one. What food items would you take plenty and diet? Okay. So these are the questions you have to write. These are the questions. So you have to write. Okay. So this is about the lesson. Explain about food components. So be thorough, read properly, get the information. Okay. Thank you, children.